got a 17 F250 with the right side window not working, and the passenger front door module, there is no communication with it. So this one has a code, the driver front door module, but nothing on the passenger front door module. That one right there. So let's check powers and grounds, communication. Let's see if we can get it going. So this is the connector pinout. 1, 2, 13, 14. I do have power and ground here, but what I noticed is that the terminal is open, or it's not making full contact, I don't think. So what I'm gonna do is close it a little bit, install it, and see if it works. I don't know if I'm able to show you, but I closed these two and those are kind of open. I don't know if you can see the difference. Okay, so let's try it. It works with this switch. Let's see if we have communication now. Turn this off. Oh, I disconnected it. Give me 1 second. So when checking communication lines, one way it comes back. Right now it doesn't work. But if I unplug it, 1 second. If I unplug it, wait for a little bit. Plug it back in. Oh, how can I do this? Okay, wait 1 second while I plug this in. Jesus, let me plug it back in. So it wants to talk for a little bit and then it goes away, but it works for a while. It does go up and down with this switch only. It'll go up and down with this switch, and you can kind of see it wanting to talk. When I press on the switch, it's still working. So this is the module from the 17. This is the one we borrowed a module from, and this one works. And it also works from the driver's side. So it is definitely not the module. Jesus, it's hot. It is only, well, it's showing 121. My God. Okay, so this is the one, this is the 21. And when I plug it in, where I'm connected to the can high, can low, it's always talking. It is always talking. And the window works. And it's always talking. So it's not the module. It's not the module, so it's probably a short somewhere. But that's what I'm supposed to be seeing all the time. There's my little cursor. There it is. And the right turn signal doesn't register here. And this is not illuminated, and it doesn't work either. The window does roll up and down, but not from the, well, now it is, but let's see. The one for the right side, I mean left side, works. And this one is illuminated. This one is illuminated, but the window doesn't go up or down from the passenger's switch. This one works. The right rear works. The left rear also works. But nothing on the right side. Oh, this works. The mirror in and out. And the one on the right side, it works. So let's figure out why. So I'm checking the network communications on splice block 1, which is on the left side kick panel right there, and this is what it looks like. That is what it looks like. Beautiful. So I'm gonna check the one on splice block 2, which it's on the right side kick panel, and see what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on number 2, splice block 2. That's what it looks like. And also the front control modules don't want to turn on. And that's the only thing that is on this module. I don't think this one has it. So it goes to the passenger door module, and then to the east, but it doesn't have seat climate control or this one, the multi-contour seat module. So it doesn't have that. It comes in, and running board, no. I'm sure it doesn't have that either. So it comes in on 1 and 7, and then it goes to passenger door module, and then the next one goes to front control module. So this is from splice pack 2, and then it goes to the front control modules with manual AC without function display. This one. So maybe this module is bad in bringing the network down. Let's see if that is true. So I jumped it and I disconnected the front control module and plugged it into the splice pack 2, and guess what? Now I can control it from here. How crazy is that? Let's see if we have communication with it now, with the passenger control module. Let's see if we can talk to it. This is what I did. I just jumped it from here to there, to the splice pack. Oh, see. And is this one it? Passenger door module. Enter. Are we talking to it? Oh baby, we are talking to it. Switch elimination failure. Clear DTCs, yes. Okay. No DTCs. Let's check again. No DTC. Perfect. I wonder if it'll... No. There's no actuation. Cool. Now it's active. Just the front control module. I guess... well, it's not related. And this works now. And this works now. That is insane. Oops. Unlock. Unlock. So I don't know, because it's from the warranty. Let's see if this light turns on. It's for the insurance, and it was just hit on this side, so I don't know if that's going to be covered. Doubt it. But let's see on the right side. Turn signal. It works. It's alive. Cool. So that's what it is. Something, I guess it's that module. That module that is... Well, the circuit is corrupted, and I don't know if it's because of the module or something else, but I got that window working. And that's all they needed me to do. I'll let them know what it is and go from there. See what they want me to dig deeper and find out exactly what is bringing the network down on that side. Thanks for watching. So I found this loose connector here. I just pulled on it. It came off. I'm gonna plug it in, but first I gotta use WD-40 because it's hard to put back in. I guess it's dry. What I'm gonna do is, hopefully that is it. I'm gonna set the phone here. You'll be watching that, and I'll go. Well, I'm still on this f250, 2017 f250 with the right side window not working. I know it's a short somewhere, and what I found is this is the communication lines for the MS1 CAN. And so what I found is something interesting. What feeds this block, splice block number 2, what feeds this block on the communication line is splice block 7. These two are the lines for splice block 7. I am scoping this one on splice block 1. This is coming from 7 to splice block 2, and that's what they look like. Splice block 7 is located in the rear. Splice block 7. There, they did take the bed off to repair the bedside. So I'm gonna, because I can't see it, I guess I gotta drop the spare. See what they did. It looks like they did take the bed off. There's some damage there. I'm not sure if they took it off or not, but I guess I can call them and find out. But it's shorted. Something is shorted on splice block 7 and not sending. Or could it be before splice block 7? Let's see. If it's before splice block 7, no, because it's I'm tapped in splice block 1. So from the module, the gateway module comes in to splice block 7. I am scoping this one. This one's fine. So I'm gonna see if splice block 7 on line K and L is good, and then maybe one of these modules is bad. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I gotta get to that splice block 7 first. So I found this loose connector here. I just pulled on it. And it came off. I'm gonna plug it in, but first I gotta use WD-40 because it's hard to put back in. I guess it's dry. What I'm gonna do is, hopefully that is it. I'm gonna set the phone here. You'll be watching that, and I'll go. Okay, so you'll be watching that while I go plug in that connector. Oh, it turned off. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's what it was. Golly. Alright, so let's do. So now everything looks happy. That is terrible. It was a connector, that's why. Connector in the back, and that's why this window wouldn't roll up or down. Let's put the splice back thing back in, recheck everything. Oh, just my hairy arm there. Okay, plug it back in, see if it's alive. My God, that's what it was. Let's see if the AC works now. AC works now. So, a rear connection, rear plug. That is terrible. But I got it. Thanks for watching.